Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in my last video, I introduced you to the market maker levels. So people who haven't seen that video, I'll just give you a brief. So market maker levels are the levels at which the institutional players play. The market makers place their trades. So you must have observed suddenly from a certain price point, price makes a big move to the upside or downside, and there is no prominent support and resistance level at that point. That's because the market maker levels come into play. So these levels are calculated based on the previous day's price action or previous week's price action. So I've studied these levels. I have learned how to calculate those levels. I'm presenting it to you. So I'll be presenting these levels to you on the daily basis. So the blue levels were given to you on Monday. The green levels were given to you on Tuesday. So Monday, the blue levels, I calculated based on previous week's price action, and when Monday close happens, then based on Monday's price action, I give the levels for Tuesday. So let's say for example this one 19167. So 19167, let's go to NQ. This is my Discord, by the way. I post these levels here. So 19167.74 was one of the levels. So on Monday, the market opened, it came here, and you can see from this price level, it bounced this level 19167. So price bounce, I took the double bottom trade to the long side. So you can do double bottoms, double tops, break and retest, whatever entry model you want to use, you can use based on how the price is reacting to these levels. But the idea is to show you that these levels are very powerful, and you should have them and trade only with them. I don't use any other indicator, just the VWAP and these levels, nothing else. So I took this trade. I took a lot of trades on Monday. I showed in the last video. You can have a look at them. So you can see how this blue level was given before the Monday start, and how many times on Monday it like respected this level. I also took this trade when it broke and retested this level. I took this trade as well. So yeah, and at the end of the day on Monday, you can see price came to this level, again the blue level. Green level wasn't available at that time, and then it just closed around that level, hovered around at that level. So after the Monday close, I gave the green line levels. You can see there are some green line levels now as well. On Monday we just had blue levels, so all the levels stay until the end of the week. So Monday's level, that are the blue levels, will stay, and we will add the Tuesday levels as well. So yeah, I mean, these are, like, you can see, like, price came here and gave you a rejection. Yeah, price breached it. I took this trade. um, like, you can take this trade for 1 to 2. I always trade 1 to 2 on break and retest. So you can see how the price is coming to these levels and giving a big rejection. You can use whatever entry model you want to use. So this was on the open, like price opened at 9:30 and came to this level and rejected. You can see how useful these levels are. So I took this trade as well. This was a break and retest, broke, retested, gave me a rejection. I took a 1 to 2 trade. Yeah, there was one more opportunity which I did not take. I don't generally like to trade after 3 p.m. So, but yeah, it was a good opportunity to do another break and retest of this level. So yeah, I mean, these levels are presented to you right now. After this, creating this video, I will be doing the levels for tomorrow and add it on the chart as well. So if you want to look at ES, it's the similar thing. So blue levels were given before Monday open, green levels were given before Tuesday open. And now I'll give more levels. The orange levels will be there soon. So yeah, these levels, you can see how they are reacting. You could have taken the break and retest here to this level. You can see how this blue line is creating a resistance, and mind you, these levels were this level was given even before the week start, so these levels are very powerful. So you see the price came here. Why exactly at this point would it bounce? Why it will be creating a lot of resistance at this level? You can see it was creating a resistance here as well, and if you see on the left, these levels are very powerful. This one I took yesterday on this blue level break, like double bottom. I took this trade. So yeah, I mean, these levels are very powerful. Try to use it for break and retest double tops and double bottoms. So this was one trade, and this was another one. Very small trade, like 7 points, but 7 points on ES is, if you are doing one contract, it's $350, so it's a lot of money. So yeah, you can if you want to trade. I personally trade gold, and I personally do not trade gold and oil. But if you want to do that, you can. I provide those levels as well. I will show you something. You can see here. So the blue levels were provided on Monday. The green levels before Tuesday uh, open. So you can see how the price is like bouncing between these two levels. So yeah, so the price finally breaks. You can take a break and retest, not really a retest. So yeah, this trade wouldn't have happened. But yeah, these levels are solid levels. So if you just remove these levels, you will see like um, why is the price bouncing like this? And when you turn this on, the picture becomes clear, right? Okay, here is a level, bounce, or reaches this level, goes back, something like that. Okay, same is the case with with CL. You can see price came to this level, stopped around this level. You can see when the price makes a higher high with the retest. I would have taken this trade if I were trading oil, but I don't trade oil. So yeah, so you can see like after the open, price came here just to this level, then bounced back just to this level, went down just to this level, broke, retest, then came to this level. So yeah, I mean, these are very solid levels. These are based on institutional order flow, and big players place their orders at these levels. So yeah, pretty useful. You can also trade RTY if you want. You can see like price came to this level and bounced. Yeah, why exactly at this level it started showing resistance after such a big move? It's because it's a market maker level at this point. So yeah, so it came down, stopped there, break and retest. You can see here, retest, rejection. I would have taken this trade. This is my kind of trade. Uh, and you can see at this level it stopped, then again it went to this level, it stopped. So you see how these levels play. So yeah, I mean, they're really, really powerful levels. I am not even joking. So yeah, you should have access to these levels. I think you can join my Discord for free, but if you want access to um, these levels, um, you can have the subscription link here. This is the one for US futures market. It's $19.99, so approximately $20. But you know, like, this is nothing. $20 a month is nothing. You will get so many good trades and big moves. You will be easily able to cover like a few years of a subscription in just one trade. Yesterday I was showing on my video. If you want to go and look at it, it will have more detailed instructions on how I use these levels. So it was like 60, 70, 80 points winners on NQ. It's basically like 7 years of subscription in just one trade, so it's nothing. And these are very powerful levels. You need nothing after that. Just use break and retest and double tops and double bottoms, and you'll be good to go. Like, you need nothing else. Very powerful. I use on 2 minutes, but you can use on any time frame you want, you are comfortable with, but I prefer 2 minutes time frame. Yeah, so if you want access to indicator, this indicator I built for TradingView, as well as a NinjaTrader. My NinjaTrader is logged out currently, but yeah, there is a similar indicator for NinjaTrader as well. So you just fill in the values. These have to be color coded. They have to be on this of the same color. Monday levels should be blue, Tuesday level should be green, Wednesday level should be orange, red, and purple, and so on. So yeah, you just fill in these levels, and yeah, they'll plot, the indicator will plot the lines for you. There should be seven solid lines, and rest all of them should be dotted lines, and that's also by default set, like which lines should be solid and which lines should be dotted. So these two and these five should be solid, rest all should be dotted lines. So yeah, all the instructions of how to fill the lines, how to make those lines and everything are here. How to use those levels. So it gives all the instructions, and the subscription link is here for the US futures market maker level subscription if you want. If you want the NinjaTrader indicator, it's here. If you want the TradingView indicator, it's here. I also do the market maker levels for the stocks if you're interested in trading stocks, but it's just 3 levels for each stock, and there are only 10 tech stocks. I'll show you the levels for this week for free. It's not a problem to me. So for Microsoft, 3 levels, Meta, 3 levels, something like this. So you'll get 3 levels for all these top 10 tech stocks for the entire week, and you can plan your trade. So how I'll suggest you to trade these levels is when the price is either at H1 or at L1, you take a long from L1 or a short from H1 and probably target the midpoint and be done for that week. It would be a swing trade from H1 to like a short trade from H1 or a long trade from L1. But you just don't blindly trade it. Try to use like a double bottom or a double top, something like that. Um, yeah, see how the price is reacting and take a long trade towards the midpoint. So that's the idea behind these levels. But yeah, the futures levels would be provided every day. So these were the levels. You can see 30th March is Sunday. So at 2:10 p.m. I provided these levels. The 19167 level on NQ was provided at 2:10 p.m. on Sunday, and you can see how many times on NQ that 19161 level was respecting. So you can see this level, it's this level. So here it's, yeah, it's a pretty solid level. And then all the blue levels were provided. You see, these are all the blue levels. They were provided on Sunday before Monday open. Similarly, at 7:16 p.m. yesterday, I provided today's level, and now after this video, I'll be providing the levels for tomorrow as well. So yeah, these levels will be provided beforehand for all of them: ES, NQ, RTY, GC, and CL, whatever stock, whatever indices you want to trade. Yeah, you can trade, and yeah, do subscribe to whatever subscription you are looking for. So this one is 19.99, that is approximately 20 USD per month. This is 10 USD, 9.99 USD per month, and the indicators are one time $12.99 each. So yeah, I mean, you need not need these indicators. You can just plot the lines by yourself. You just need to know which 5 levels, which 7 levels need to be solid lines, and rest all should be dotted lines. So I provide that information here. So all mid lines and EH1 and L1 levels are solid, rest all levels are dotted. So you can manually plot them. You don't need an indicator for them, but I just created them for my convenience, so it's very easy to plot accurate lines. So yeah, you can join the Discord, and yeah, these are very powerful levels. No one will tell you about these levels. There will be no information on YouTube. So yeah, do test them. Like, you can subscribe for a month and see, and if you don't like them, you can just cancel it. It's just one NQ point. It's $20, one NQ points. It's nothing. So yeah, but I'm pretty sure once you start using these levels, you'll see how powerful they are, and you wouldn't be able to like cancel the subscription. You will really love these levels. Okay, so please subscribe to the channel, like the video. Please encourage me so that I can continue this work. Share with your friends as well, and I'll see you in the next video. And I will be posting the link to my Discord and all the subscriptions in the pinned comment of this video. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.